woke up early just to see the sun. With every possibility, you're making all of me undone. Not so sure yet, but I think that I might. Nothing to your body as you sway on the backseat of my bike. Sliding down a rainbow of emotions. I might fade and pray that you don't notice. Kick up my shoes, it's plain to see I tear about the thought of you and me. Wish I was, but I'm not pretending. I'm just a sucker for a happy ending. Keep the rope short, I can hardly breathe. Stuck between a dream and reality. Check out the way this heart is bending. I'm just a sucker for a happy ending. I'm just a sucker for a happy ending. I'm just a sucker for a happy ending. Just a sucker for a happy ending. I'm just a sucker for a happy ending. Got me nervous with your hand in mine. Every second inching closer. Explosions in my mind. Picture perfect. I want it all to last. Feels like it's been forever. Like we've done this in the past. Kick up my shoes, it's plain to see I tear about the thought of you and me. Wish I was, but I'm not pretending. I'm just a sucker for a happy ending. Keep the rope short, I can hardly breathe. Stuck between a dream and reality. Check out the way this heart is bending. I'm just a sucker for a happy ending. 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 Been running low on self-esteem, burning out of gasoline. How I'm supposed to feel these dreams when my heart's pumping out jealousy? Could this be the end of me? Keep asking you to intercede, but all I feel inside is a scared little boy who's afraid of the enemy. Help me get these thoughts in line. I'll go crazy without peace of mind. You told me if I seek I find, so put me back together one piece at a time. Yeah, I just need a glimpse of you. I'm on the verge of breakdown, we're so close to breakthrough. Oh, and all it takes is you. Rain down, I can't go on without you. I need to give up on everything, but I'm just wishing I could undo all the times I hurt you, because I was afraid when my own way I ain't going. Just rain on me. As you can see, I'm all dried up inside, yeah, my soul's empty, craving a taste of that living water. Yeah, won't you see? Straight through the cracks of my unpaved heart, wanna fall free into your open arms, wanna be steady right where you are. Rain down, I can't go on without you. I need you to rain down, 'cause I'm so lost without you. Won't you please just if you don't come right now, then I'm really gon' drown, 'cause I'm in way over my head and living on the run so long that I don't know where my home is. I'm tired of living on the fence. If you don't come right now, then I'm really gon' drown, 'cause I'm in way over my head. I'm living on the run right now with my face in the ground. I don't wanna know what's up ahead. Rain down on me, 'cause you're all I need. Come meet me right where I am. This dry ground needs fresh water. I need you more than lungs need air. Rain down on me, 'cause you're all I need. Come meet me right where I am. This dry ground needs fresh water. I need you more than lungs need air. if I love you till the end of time, darling, all the privilege would be mine. I don't take it for granted. Love divine, I felt heaven and my world collide. You took this wounded heart of mine and put it back together. You know my imperfection, I thought I learned my lesson, that I'd never be loved by someone like you. You've changed up my direction, but sometimes I still question how I was worth the love of someone like you. Of someone like you. Highs and lows, you were with me when it hurt the most. Felt the sunlight in your heart of gold, and it's all I've ever wanted. In all my imperfection, I thought I learned my lesson, that I'd never be loved by someone like you. You've changed up my direction, but sometimes I still question how I was worth the love of someone like you. In all my imperfection, I thought I learned my lesson, that I'd never be loved by someone like you. You changed up my direction, but sometimes I still question how I was worth the love of someone like you. You take me as I am, you take me as I am. You take me as I am, you take me as I am. You take me as I am, you take me as I am. You take me as I am, you take me as I am. In all my imperfection, I thought I learned my lesson, that I'd never be loved by someone like you. You've changed up my direction, but sometimes I still question how I was worth the love of someone like you. Of someone like you. Hold you close, I would give my life for you, you know. And I swear to never let you go, not even for a